Welcome back, everybody, to Outdoor Power Tech. Sorry, it's been a little over a week. We had some, wouldn't say bad weather, but we had weather for a couple of weeks in the low 20s and getting down in teens at night. And then all of a sudden, in just like a week's time, it jumped up to close to 70 and raining, and the humidity has been awful. And that's why my floor looks like this, because my floor sweated. And my shop was a mess for a week. It's taken me a while to get all this dried out to this point. But here's some engines I'm wanting everybody to vote on if they want to. The far left, we got a 1949 Rio engine, went on lawnmower. The next one's a Clinton engine, a 410. I think that's a mid-70s model. And then the middle black one right there, we got Briggs. It's a 6R6. I don't know the date on that. I think that's 40s or 50s maybe. Then we have standard Briggs right there that went on everybody's go-karts in the 80s. And then the big one right there is a Kohler Magnum 20 horsepower, which I'd like to get that one rebuilt and restored and sold at some point. But if y'all want to just leave something down in the comment section saying which one you want me to rebuild, we'll do that, and that will be our next project. And of course the big one right there, I'm going to sell it, but all the small ones that we completely restore, I'm going to put a shelf right there between where my literature is and where I have parts, a little bit of parts right there. I'm going to put a shelf right here for us to put our engines on. And of course there's the Clinton that we just did. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Just leave a comment. If it's just even one person, that's fine. But just leave a comment and we'll do whichever one gets the most votes. I appreciate everybody watching my videos, and until next time.